Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing an official Apple Pen. So this is pretty cool packaging from Apple. This is an official Apple Pen sold at their headquarters in Cupertino. So they have some special stores in Cupertino at their headquarters. And this is a space gray ballpoint pen. So let's do this. Oh, all right. Oh, so the plastic around this was a little annoying to remove, but this looks like, let me grab the pen to show you all. So space gray, has the Apple logo on it. Retro 1951 is what it says at the top. Turn it to use it. I guess this looks like a holder. Okay. Let's see. There's some paper in here. What? Even the pen comes with a 1-year warranty. Oh, so Retro 1951 sounds like it's the company that makes the pen. So that's how it's stored. Looks like a nice little holder and stand for the pen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks everyone for watching the unboxing of this official Apple Pen sold at the Apple headquarters, Apple stores in Cupertino. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.